And another exciting day here at Dream on Wheels. So somebody just came back from a trip to the store. You know, as some of you all know, we've going to be working on our exercises and getting healthier and everything. Well, the other day we went out and we were on a bike ride and it was raining and everything else, and can't really enjoy, you know, trying to do some nice rides or whatever. So Mama decided she was going to go out and got us some nice little phone cases that attach onto the bike. They go on your top bar, attaching here and here, and then attached to that part on the handlebar. And then also some water bottle holders, so we'll be able to have our water bottles with us while we're out there, as we're getting serious here, and it's that time. So this is going to come in handy, especially once we hit the road. And she's so noisy. You hear that, right? She's playing with the Velcro. I'm trying to talk to you all, and she's playing with the Velcro. How rude. So rude. So anyway, these will come in handy once we're out there on the road, when we go trekking and stuff with the kids. The kids' bikes will be with us as well. But we'll be able to have our phone cases for anything, and it's got some nice little handy little storage in it. So we're going to show you that right now. So mine wasn't open just yet, so we'll take this like a fresh opening. Oh. Here, darling, why don't you hold the camera while I can do this? No? No? She no love me, y'all.
Wait, put this.
She no love me. No? No? The zip tie's still stuck in there.
Baby, that side doesn't open more. He was about to broke.
Well, the other side had stopped. But anyway. All right, so this little handy case comes in with some little paper in there. We don't need that. Goodness gracious. It's got a nice little rechargeable pack in it. And not sure how much charge time we're going to get out of it. Let's see if it tells us what kind of... Does it give us any information on the... Let's see if the little card on here. So you got the nice little Velcro here. Got a little info card. Let's see. It tells us... no. Does not look like it gives us the information on the battery pack. So we'll just have to charge it up and give it a nice little try to see what kind of recharge we get out of it. And we'll let you know. So apparently this video is going to be delayed because I want to find out how much kind of charge we get out of this, how many hours recharge, because that will be key to know for some bike adventures once we get out into the world. So until then, hold on a minute. We'll be right back. All right, so as you can see, there's a little indicator light that flashes while it's charging. All right, it stopped flashing. She's done charging. Let's test her out. So it's hooked up, and I've already shown you all how much percentage of battery I have. Now, in order to make this a fair test, to really put it to the test, I'm actually going to turn my brightness up on my phone while I'm doing some stuff right now, working actually on our social media. So let's see how this works. All right, so as you all had seen, I showed you all 3 different battery readings. The first battery reading I showed you all was prior to me hooking up the charger at 18%. I then hooked up the battery pack that was in this, that came with this case, and I had my brightness on high while I was editing videos on my phone and on a couple of live streams, and it kept it charged. And the second screenshot that I showed you all with the 40%, that was after the battery indicator quit showing that it was charging anymore from the battery pack. So the battery pack was totally dead at that point. And so as you saw, I got a couple hours out of that and was up to 40%. And then the last screenshot I showed you all was at the point where I got down to 17% again, and I still continued using. So as you saw, I got hours of extra usage out of the little battery pack. So it just sits right in here, and you plug up and plug to your phone. And then if you have headphones that you are going to plug in, if you're still wired, of course that wire will slip out right here. It's protected underneath in here. You can see it right there. The other thing I didn't show you all the other day was up in here is the charging cable for the little battery pack. And it just hooks right in here. And of course, now it's all undone. Bear with me one moment. Okay. Now I just had it responding to the touch screen through the case here. Now, let me see if I can get the brightness turned up. There we go. Now you all can see that that does. Stolen one of the kids' phones for this example. So this does work. Touchscreen through here. You know, so you've got room. Touchscreen works. And, you know, nice little charging area in there. And your phone just sits right here on this Velcro. Take your phone out there. All right. So this thing works great. We love them. It's really cheap. Wasn't that expensive. There's some really expensive ones out there. You know, you can see it hooks up here and here and here. And these straps are quite long enough that they would fit some of the wider poled bikes, including possibly up to on some of the Electra bikes. It probably would fit on as well. But I will find a link for this and put it in the description as well. So thank you for joining us with here on Dream on Wheels. And until next time, keep following those dreams. Ring those bells so you catch the next video. Hit those like buttons. See you later.